Alright, got the FMS SuperEZ. For those keeping score at home, this is still my all-time favorite airplane. Everything I've flown. Well over 100 different models now. And this is still, if you told me I could only have one plane, this is still going to be the one I'm going to keep. Just because everything you can do with it. It's not a rocket ship, but she does probably 55, 60. And she'll slow down to probably 5 to 6 miles an hour. Just over walking speed, basically. And that's no flaps on it. That'd be the one thing I'd like to see is FMS to come out with another version of this that had lights and flaps. That would be a absolutely beautiful, perfect plane then. You reach out and grab it. I am by no means close to being a 3D pilot, but I do think that this one here, if you had some skills in that area, you'd probably be surprised what it could do. Yeah, I can't hover more than a couple of seconds.
sure is easy to see.
Yeah.
I like that better than the Valiant.
Except when it's, to me, I mean, you can know it's got yellow stripes on the bottom, but it gets out there about where it's at. I couldn't tell if it was which one. I got to look at the gears is what I look for to keep my orientation, you know. Anybody waiting to take off?
No, just me. You go ahead.
No, go ahead. Come on up. It's more fun when you get a couple planes up.
No, I got that yellow cub, and I'm really dangerous for that.
Oh.
I've crashed it more than any airplane I've got.
Really? Trying to set a record with it?
Yeah. Well, I think this flies pretty good.
I tell you, this is, I'm over 100 models now. I went through my list. 100 different models that I've flown, like 106. This is still my all-time favorite plane. So you can play limbo with it. I didn't want to touch the ground. That was my fault. They have on the fun flies out here, they'll have a game called limbo where they'll stretch a ribbon across the field.
Oh, yeah.
And it's who can go below it without touching the ground. And this is only plane I got that little UMX Timber, but this is the only full-size plane, when I say full-size 1,000 millimeter or bigger, that I'd feel very comfortable flying it, like at the schoolyard, you know. Whoa, that was me. Yeah, I'd feel very comfortable flying at a short distance. But it's the only one. Come down too much on that last one and stalled it out. All right, let's land up. We got 1 minute left. This is like your Valiant. You can get 10 minutes easy with it. Oh, we're not going to accept that.
I would have lost it right then for sure.
Oh no,
Yep.
This has got a lot of power on it. I mean, it's not quiet enough to fly off the prop completely, but you don't have to worry about it not having enough power to bail you out of a jam, you know. Not much better, but we'll keep it.